What's up YouTube, Silver Dragons here, and in this video I'm going to show you how I made these poured and then slabbed silver rounds. Thank you so much for watching my video, I sincerely appreciate it. This one's all about these beauties right here, the 1.5 ounce silver rounds in celebration of my 1 year on YouTube. This is the first one in the series, and I'm going to show you how I made this particular one in the video. So I'm going to cue some music, sit back and relax, and then when we're done, we'll come back and we'll talk about these. So let's do it. All right, that's how I made the silver rounds, and then that's how I slabbed them. These are very cool. I think they're very fun. This particular one that I showed in the video is currently up for auction if you're interested in checking that out. The auction will end this Monday. I will put a link down below in the description, so check that out if you're interested in bidding on this beauty right here. Seems like there already has been some people bidding on it. I think I saw 7 bidders as of last, so that's very cool. Some people are interested. And if you didn't want this one, but you wanted one like it in the series of 50, I think I still maybe have about 10 left on pre-order from the second half, the 26 through 50. So shoot me an email, silverdragons47@gmail.com. I always put my email in the description of the videos as well. And these are $50 with free USA shipping. There's only 50 of them being made, so once they're gone, and that will be it. So anyway, that was the poured and slabbed silver rounds that I made. I'm super stoked for hitting 1 year on YouTube. The last thing I do want to mention is that I am doing a giveaway which ends on Monday. So if you haven't entered my giveaway yet, I will put a card up in the corner of the screen. Go to that video, leave a comment, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and that's it. And you'll have a chance to win one of these for absolutely free. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Silver Dragons out.